Good morning, teacher. My name is Tania Elizabeth. I am in the court C. I am going to read and answer the question. Where did you used to go on vacation? I am used to go to the beach on vacation. When did you used to visit the mall? The mall? I who used to visit the mall on Saturday afternoon school. You 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 do listen to music at home and you can. My sister used to listen to music at home on weekends. What sport did you used to play in the primary school? I used to play soccer in the primary school. Where did you used to do your homework at home? I used to do my homework at your in the bed after dinner. Thank you, teacher.